Midoriya's next. Little cute ass. These are in great condition, I will say. Stop. Oh my god. Look at his shoes. His hair. And he just sits. Wind blowing. God, I can't wait to put you guys up. Oh my god. And I told myself, no, I'm gonna buy the pack of 4 because I'm gonna sell Choco and Todoroki. I'm not gonna sell them. I'm not gonna sell them. Who said I'm selling them? No, baby, it's gonna so. I love Bakugo. Okay. Look at how well wrapped he is. I prefer his winter costume, but his summer one's cute too. Oh my god, he's sad. Wait. That was his hand. Oh my god. It fell on Todoroki's crotch. Why are you falling out? Oh, I guess because it's a little loose. Well, there is a saying that like the most diva-esque figures anyone could possibly ever own are Bakugo ones. Wait. Oh my god. Wait. I need to put them on my vinyl, like now.